That's had a strong run these last few weeks is Insecticides India. Rajesh Agarwal joins in to talk about how business has been moving. Rajesh, morning. Just give us a picture first of how demand has been around this pre-monsoon period and what kind of uptick you've seen.
The demand looks very good for the future actually. The first 2 months of this year, April and May, were not very encouraging because they were a period of too much heat. So I don't see that the results of the first quarter will show the very encouraging results. But I have very good hope June onwards, because this month has been great in terms of sales, and the next quarter and the very next quarter we have very good hope actually, and we hope that this year will be closing about at least 40% more than the last year actually.
Morning, Rajesh. Going by past experience, how much of a sensitivity does your company or pesticide sales have with a reasonable monsoon? Because you can compare, last monsoon was not good and this one is on its way to becoming a regular one or normal one. Do your revenues have a lot of sensitivity to that?
Definitely it has impact. I won't say a lot of sensitivity, but definitely the sentiments play a very important role. Because all the sowing is delayed this year actually, the season is delayed a little, but as the monsoon is looking regular and as you rightly said, and it has already hit the western coast and even south, and most of the parts of Rajasthan, Gujarat, western Maharashtra, Andhra have already started receiving rains. So the sentiment is quite good, and I can see that there is a spur in demand actually since June.
Are you gaining any market share in your key markets of Punjab, Haryana, Andhra Pradesh, or is it an overall sector boom that you're riding at this point?
Definitely we'll be increasing our share, because these are our main markets, particularly Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, and markets of Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra. These are major markets, and we'll be increasing our share definitely this year, and we have been doing that in past many years actually.
You have some plant expansion that kicks in starting Q2, Rajesh. Given that expansion, how much of an uptick do you hope to see in demand for by the end of the year itself, the financial year?
Yeah, we are expecting a 40% increase minimum this year. The projects are delayed a little because one of the projects of Udhampur will be coming in the Q2. I am expecting in the month of August it must be operational. And the other project, which is for Gujarat in Dahej, which is a big project of technical manufacture as well as the formulations, that is also delayed by 2-3 months actually, and I hope that should be in the third quarter of this year. But overall, these projects will come in at the right time, and they should help me in increasing the volumes for this year, and that is the reason I rightly said that last year we have closed somewhere around 400 crores, and we expect an increase of about 40% during this fiscal in the top line.
So 40% on your top line. What would that translate into your bottom line in terms of an increase?
Yeah, bottom line also there will be a similar increase. Our PAT margins are somewhere a little below 8%, and we are targeting to cross that 8% this year actually.
Thanks, Rajesh, for joining in with all those details. That's Insecticides.